chance to travel to school by bus. So today I decided to take the bus ride to Manav Rachna International, Gurgaon, which is our destination today on Shining Schools of India. So the journey seems to be fun-filled, and let me talk to the kids here and find out what they think about the school. What do you like most about Manav Rachna International?
The teachers. My friends.
Extracurricular activities.
Infrastructure.
The annual functions held in our school.
I like my principal.
My class teacher, Archana ma'am, she is like a mother to each and every child.
Our principal is one of the best principals in my life.
Tell us something about the bus journey here.
Traveling with my friends and then talking to them, and I just love sitting at the last seat because all those bounces and all.
The whole senior lot is like sitting on the back side of the bus, and we have a lot of fun.
Theme assemblies are an integral aspect of an academic session at MRIS Gurgaon. Parents are invited to be a part of these assemblies to see their children perform. The focus here is not just academics. MRIS follows the International Primary Curriculum, a thematic and creative curriculum for 3 to 11-year-olds. Teachers are encouraged to present their lessons in a wide variety of ways using art, music, activities and much more. Affiliated to CBSE from grades 6 to 12, the school boasts of interactive classroom modules, a well-equipped laboratory, painting, art and fashion tech lab, a well-stocked library and much more. For its robotics curriculum, the school has partnered with iCarne, a subsidiary of Carnegie Mellon University of the USA.
We started enrolling for this competition called the Indian Robot Olympiad. Now this is a competition where the theme was connecting people. So this stick that you see here is the product of this. We call this the Communicane. Now the Communicane is a tool for the blind. Here we have an ultrasonic sensor which helps the user identify obstacles which are placed in his path. We have an accelerometer sensor which is able to tell the system, which is his phone, whether the stick is upright or it has fallen down. We have automatic Bluetooth syncing with the phone. So you can think of it as an integrated system where the Communicane is directly connected to the phone in all aspects.
And now I have with me the star student of Manav Rachna International, Imad. Hi Imad, how are you?
Fine.
Okay Imad, I've heard that you're literally a walking encyclopedia. How true is that?
Well, that's very true. Actually, I joined this school in 2008 in grade 8th, and since then a lot of opportunities have come from me. I have traveled to some of the most developed countries of the world, representing the school on international forums. A few of examples are the Global Model United Nations Conference in Dubai, International Lakes and Rivers Conclave in Germany, and recently the World Leadership Congress in Auckland, New Zealand.
Tell us what kind of teaching methods are used here and the kind of interaction, open interaction environment that you have between students and teachers here.
All the students and teachers are very, very friendly. So that helps in inculcating knowledge, and perhaps that is why the students are growing here. They're continuing to excel in each and every field.
From dramatics to music and jamming sessions, to dance and piano, MRIS Gurgaon strives for an all-round development of its students.
My favorite musician is Beethoven. His pieces are charming, and out of all his pieces, my favorite piece is Furellis, which is composed by him.
Right now, here at Manav Rachna International, I am joined by a bunch of teachers. Hello ma'am, welcome to the show. Ma'am, tell us about the special features that Manav Rachna International has to offer.
A philosophy that was adopted by the school at the time of inception itself, and we call it the learning center approach. Now, in the learning center approach, each classroom is a subject specific center. That means we have a numeracy center for maths, a literacy center for English, we have a separate center for our international curriculum, and likewise we have various centers for different activities.
Also, ma'am, please tell us something about the curriculum here at Manav Rachna International.
We follow the initiatives of CBSE, CCE, Continuous Comprehensive Evaluation, which has been started by CBSE people, and the PSA, that is the Problem Solving Assessments, that again is an initiative of CBSE. Now in CCE, we basically cater to the all-round development of the child. There are children who excel in academics, but then there are children who do not, but they excel in other areas like sports, like dance, like theatre and elsewhere.
Besides that, ma'am, there is a very special segment which is called the SANE segment. Tell us more about that.
That's right, ma'am. I work there as a special educator, and we are taking care of the children in the it's an inclusive setup where we go into the class or we have pull-out sessions for them. The children are basically referred to us through teachers or parents, and we observe the children in different settings before we come to our conclusions, and then the child is referred for assessment outside.
Also, ma'am, we went to one of the robotics lab here, which is very fancy and very high-tech. Tell us something more about that.
We take pride in the fact that we are a very technically updated school. Our iCarnegie program is in sync with the Carnegie Mellon University. It is based on the principles of STEM, science, technology, engineering and maths. It helps the children put into practice the concepts that they learn into class and program robots to perform challenging tasks.
Let's talk about the fine arts here at Manav Rachna International now.
In fine arts is a really very pleasurable subject, and I give the wings to their thoughts. I want them to explore every bit of their inner instincts. School gives me so much freedom, and I give this freedom to my students so that they explore every bit of their talent.
And now I have with me the most important person on the premises, the principal of Manav Rachna International, Mrs. Dhruti Malhotra. Ma'am, I was interacting with the children of Manav Rachna International, and you will be pleasantly surprised to know that when I asked them which is your favorite thing about the school, most of them said that the kind of free interaction they can have with the principal is something that they haven't really got in other schools, and that really is one of their favorite things.
What we believe in, and personally I believe in, that if I know all my children, I think I'll be able to make that difference that is required at any stage that they are here in school. So they are free to walk up to me right from a toddler baby to my grade 12.
If I could ask you, what would you say is the USP of Manav Rachna International?
See, as the name suggests, Manav Rachna, we believe in creating human beings, good human beings.
If you could just brief us a little about the community outreach program of Manav Rachna International.
There are just a few initiatives that we as a school have taken, wherein we are supporting the teaching of, we are supporting the education of almost 50 children of the slums here.
When it comes to sports, Manav Rachna Sports Academy ensures that the budding sports stars are groomed and their talents well honed. Cricket, football, basketball, lawn tennis, swimming, horse riding, martial arts, gymnastics, caroms, table tennis, shooting and skating are some of the highlights of the school's sports infrastructure.
Well, on that note, it's time to wrap up this episode of Shining Schools of India. But before leaving this premises, I have to say that this school has left me a bit nostalgic today, and also envious and thoughtful of the fact the children of today are so well prepared for a challenge called life.